Quick video on my Sportsman 500 HO Polaris. It's a 2002 model. I have had a problem with it. It overheated on me, and I was also having issues starting it. And I had suspected that it wasn't charging, and sure enough, I finally got around to looking at it. It's not my main ATV, but it was my first ATV. Got to looking at it, and this looks like it's some sort of a rectifier bridge and regulator, and it's swollen and cracked in this area right here. Polaris wanted $165 for this piece. I did a search for it on Amazon, and I found it. Actually, I did a search on it by the original number, part number 2203. I guess it's not the original one. 2203636 is the Polaris number. And yeah, you went to Polaris Parts House. They wanted a little less for it. They wanted probably right around $125 for it, but I got this for $25. Pretty much the same thing. The only thing is this one does have a little bit better connectors. I might take it apart again and heat shrink all my connectors if I start to have problems with them disconnecting or anything like that. So here it is. This is where it's located, right in front of the radiator, behind the radiator screen. I shouldn't say screen, there's a radiator screen there, but there's like a initial grill there. I guess that's what you could call it. And it hooks up really simply. Just pull them apart, put them back together, and just make sure you get them on the right ones. Otherwise, I think you'll end up burning something out. But right now, let me see if I can actually do this one-handed. I thought that was kind of ridiculous. I can buy a lot of these for 25 bucks compared to 165 and still have it burn out. Yeah. Anyway, I don't know how many have been on this unit before I got it. I got this thing in 2007. Apparently it is a issue with Polaris's, but let me see what I can find out here if I can get this thing to show. Two-handed here. Oh, just hold on a second. Get it set up. That's better than 12. But there you go. Really easy to get at. I think I'm going to leave my cover off up front here until I make sure. It got hot on me. It was idling, sitting there, and we couldn't start it, so I decided to be stupid and let it run while we were doing something, and should have just shut it off and started it. It's got a rope pull, so should have started it by hand. It starts really easy. Should have done that and then just drove it, because I think it would have been fine. It wouldn't have gotten hot, but it boiled it out of the radiator a little bit and out of the overflow, and yeah, it got hot, but I don't think I heard anything. It didn't lock up or anything. It isn't smoking or anything, so should be fine. Well, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.